An expression is a collection of numbers and symbols connected by operations. It's important that the mathematical objects, the numbers and symbols, are connected by operations. They must be meaningful. These are not expressions. Although they have numbers and symbols in them, they're not connected together in any way. They don't make mathematical sense. Here are some real mathematical expressions. There are numbers and symbols, and they're connected together in a meaningful way by the different operations. Some of the operations aren't actually written with visible symbols, but they're still there. For example, the 5 needs to be multiplied by the thing in brackets. Even though there's no symbol written there, there's an implied multiplication. This W is multiplied by itself 3 times, even though there's no written multiplication symbol. We understand that the 3, written small and higher up on the right, means a power of 3. These expressions can be evaluated by actually performing the operations. 23 plus 18 evaluates to 41. That's the value you get by performing the addition operation. To evaluate the second one, 5 open bracket 13 minus 2 squared close bracket, we need to remember the order of operations. Always use the correct order of operations to evaluate a mathematical expression. Here we do the brackets first, and inside the brackets we do the power first. 2 squared is 4, then the brackets, 13 minus 4 is 9. Now 5 times 9 is 45. Always use the correct order of operations to evaluate expressions. Always. There are no exceptions. The last expression here cannot be evaluated until I know the value of the variable w. Letters in an expression are called variables because different values can replace them. Their value can vary. If I want to evaluate these expressions, I need to know the value of the variables first. You could actually use any symbol you like for a variable. You can use a line, an empty box, a question mark, a star, anything at all. It's just that in practice, normal letters are easy and quick to write. So mathematicians tend to use letters to represent variables, quantities that can vary. Numbers, and some symbols, like pi, are called constants because they never change. Their value is constant. Constants in front of a variable are called coefficients. That's just a special name for the constant in front of a variable. Parts of an expression that are added or subtracted are called terms. The plus or minus sign indicates terms, but the sign itself is not the term, nor is the value of the addition or subtraction. The terms are the things that you add or subtract. Factors are parts of an expression that are multiplied or divided. Again, the times or divide sign is not the factor, and the value that you get by multiplying or dividing is not the factor. The factors are what you multiply or divide. Remember to look for factors in fractions too. The fraction line just means divide, so the top and bottom of the fraction are both factors. In algebra, we often leave out the actual multiplication sign, or sometimes we use just a single central dot. For example, between variables, we just write the letters next to each other. That means A times B, P times Q times R. Between a coefficient and its variable, 42 times Y, pi times R squared. And outside or between brackets, 5 times E plus 1, G plus 3 times 4 minus P.